Hi everybody. I'm just going to make a short recording here to show you how to access your Teams for assignment 2. So I'm just in Canvas and I'm going to click into discussions. So you'll see here the third discussion down is Team Discussion Board for Assignment 2 Case Study, and you just click on that. And you can see that we've set up 3 groups, Group 1, Group 2 and Group 3. So the names are in alphabetical order. So for example, if your name starts with S, you would assume you're further down the bottom here. And if your name ends in like S or E or something, you'd be further up the top. But you can easily just click into the group and have a quick look if your name's there. And if not, go out of it again. So if you're in Group 1, you only need to look at the Group 1 ones, Group 2 and Group 3. So for example, if I've found my group here, Group 2, I go into it, I see who my teammates are, and then I'm going to press reply and start a conversation with my teammates. So what you're going to do here is talk to each other about how you want to communicate for assignment 2. So it may not be through your sole email addresses, your Swinburne email addresses. That's why I've left it up to you to make a decision of how you want to communicate, whether it's through personal emails, you're going to speak on the phone, you want to share Google Doc. Even if you live in the same state or something, you could meet up together and do it in person. It's completely up to you. So put a post in here. Once you've found your name, post, and then you just press post reply like you would in weekly discussions. So it's really up to you how you want to communicate there. And I've just also highlight, just at the top here, we've got assignment 2 question and answer. So we're going to Group 1. So I've provided some information here about the assignment. There's a Padlet here with your flipped recording, some discussion on the allocation of teams and other resources, which I'm going to be adding to all the time. So during this week, you'll be on consolidation week next week, but I'll be adding a lot more information there as well to help you. So keep checking back at the Padlet as it'll be updated consistently over the time. And then you can ask questions there as well. So I hope that makes sense. If you have any problems, please let me know. And best of luck, everyone. I know you're going to enjoy this team assignment, learning how to embed Indigenous perspectives within the case study in the assignment 2 details. Thanks, everyone.